Hi, so in this video I'm here with my dad's Volvo V60 D2 from 2015, but this will apply from vehicles from 2015 to 2018. So he's been having some trouble with the alarm module within the car, and this has been producing a number of symptoms. Been a light on the dashboard that's come up, and we'll show you. And also the lights, the indicator lights have been flashing randomly. So we're going to go through how we temporarily fixed it and permanently fixed it in this video. So it turns out this is quite a common problem that happens to Volvos for about 6 or 7 years. There's no videos, not very many forum posts, so we've decided to make one. So I'm going to cover the temporary fix. We were thinking the alarm module had malfunctioned and it was causing the lights to flash, which was draining the main battery of the car. To temporarily fix this, you've got to remove the fuse, and that's located down here. So this is the 5 amp fuse that is located in the fuse box underneath here. So just pull that out and it should temporarily fix your symptoms. But we're going to move on to the long-term fix. So just by removing the fuse, you've stopped the battery from draining, but you still get that error message every time you turn on the car, and the alarm system isn't actually working on the car. So we want to fix it completely. So to do that, you need to access the alarm module. So to access the alarm module, you have to take the passenger side wheel off. And what we found online was on pretty much every other model of Volvo, the alarm module's up here in this sort of region, but in the R-Design V60 behind the strut up there, and there was 2 bolts we needed to remove the module. So here. Okay, so this is the module that we've taken out of the vehicle. As you can see, it's got some tape around it because we've actually already mended it. So there's got 2 options from here. You can either replace this whole box and buy a new module on the internet. They're about 200 to 400 pounds, or you can be cheaper and fix it for a couple of quid, but that requires a lot of cutting. So Volvo have made the alarm module very hard to get into. To get into it, we had to angle grind the metal box that it was contained in to open it up, and then there's a plastic box inside that we then had to cut open. Inside there's the battery, so we just kind of cut the old battery out and then soldered a new one in, put it all back together and bolted it back into the Volvo. So yeah, that's how we did it. So what we've done is we put the module temporarily back in, and we're going to put the fuse back, and we're just going to check that it's actually working. So it should clear the error message on the dashboard. Yeah, so we've started the car up and like there's no error message, so that seems to have fixed the problem. Now it's just a case of putting the wheel arch back on the wheel, and should be all good.